Welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll be making shelves of different shapes using ice cream sticks. So I've got 2 packets of ice cream sticks for ₹20 each, and to stick ice cream sticks together into these shapes I'm going to use Fevicol SH. So you can get this in any of the hardware shop near you, but you can use Fevicol MR as well, which you get in stationery shops. But I strongly recommend you to use Fevicol SH because it will help the bond to last longer and increase the life of the shelves. So let's get started with the video. So firstly I'm going to make heart shape shelf. Heart shape means connecting square and triangle together. So now stick the second layer of ice cream sticks on it, and you're going to stick it in same manner you were sticking the first layer, so that there's a gap between the first and the second layer and so on. So this means जो स्टिक आपने सबसे पहले फर्स्ट लेयर में लगाई थी वही स्टिक आप सबसे पहले सेकंड लेयर में भी लगाओगे, जिससे थोड़ा गैप क्रिएट हो. जैसे मैंने सबसे पहले हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टिक लगाई थी फर्स्ट लेयर में, उसी तरह से मैं सेकंड लेयर में भी सबसे पहले हॉरिजॉन्टल स्टिक लगा रही हूँ और फिर वर्टिकल स्टिक्स लगा रही हूँ. All of the shelves that I'll make will have 5 to 10 layers of ice cream sticks, and now I'll keep this shelf aside for a while to let it dry. And now it's time for number 2, that is hexagon shaped shelf. Keep it aside for a while to let it dry, and now we're going to make the third shelf, which is going to be in the square diamond shape. I call it as Burfi shape.
I can feel it somewhere inside, haunting. Like a drug I keep on wanting. There's a love that fits so perfect it's hard to believe. There's a reason I can feel my heart.
So this is what shelves look like after leaving it for 45 minutes. And now take a transparent thread, make a loop, stick at the back of each of these shelves so that we can hang them. Leave all the shelves overnight to let it dry completely. After all the shelves are dry, I'm going to color them in dark brown color so that it looks like a wooden piece, and for that I had mixed red and black acrylic colors.
time is unfair, 'cause I know you're out there somewhere, patient, waiting on who we're feeling like your grip might slip too soon, but I'm running, chasing.
And to mount these shelves on wall, I'm using wire clippers. If your wall has nail already, then there's no need to use wire clippers. So this is what wall looks like after hanging all the shelves. I really hope that you liked this video, and do share pictures with me if you create any of my DIY on my Instagram account. Link will be in the description box. Thank you for watching and do subscribe to my channel.